this is KingKusters again. Okay, the last time that I made a video of survival with the wikiup episode, I told everybody that I would show you the tips and tricks how to go camping in the wild. You know, like I said, here in Europe, the most countries, it's not allowed to go out in the woods, in the wild, to go out and camp. Because, you know, people just throw their trash out in the nature, make fires that the forest is gonna burn, and those things, you know. That's a shame. The world is crowded enough, and you know, sometimes you want some alone time. It's normal that people would go back to their primitive state, you know, just go out in the wild, go out in the forest and just, you know, enjoy life for a second without any noise and shit. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to do it and not to get caught. I'm walking here on this countryside. You know, when you look up there, that's my village. This is at least, I guess, 4, maybe 3 kilometers, maybe 5 kilometers away from the civilized world. You know, if you make a campfire, everybody will see that. It can go for miles and miles beyond. So what you want to do, try to find a dense forest. You know, in the winter time it's harder to find such a forest because then you need to find a pine forest or such. A forest just like this, it's hard because, you know, there are no more leaves on the trees, bushes are more thin. So what you want to do is just go out in the forest, go out in the wild, try to explore. If you don't, there's also Google Maps. Google Earth is one of my favorites. Important, stay away from, you know, those trails where people walk. Stay away from open fields, because the range of sight is enormous. You just want to go out of the trails into the forest as far as you possibly can go. What you also always need to do is to make a fire screen. Why is that important, a fire screen? It reflects the heat. It reflects the heat back at you. If you make it a half circle, it reflects back. And if you put it against a side of view that is too open, like that view, you know, if you put a fire screen over here, or if you settle down here and you make the fire screen over there, you know, it also covers up the light of the fire. Explore which forest is the best, which forest suits you the best. Keep away from the population, stay away from foot trails. Go as far into the forest as you can possibly go. Stay away from open fields. If not, then make a fire screen. Fire screen will also not only reflect that heat back at you, but it will also cover up the most of the light of your fire. You know, most people don't think about that, because you can see that fire, that campfire, you can see it from miles and miles away. You know, just stay away from population. Don't yell too much, don't bring too many people, just keep it calm. Do your thing.